Hi there, art lovers. Ever feel like the hustle and bustle of daily life is just too overwhelming? Maybe you're looking for a way to unwind, but nothing seems to work. Well, today, I've got something special for you. Welcome to color, along with calming colors, butterflies, and flowers. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, a sea of papers and emails staring back at you. Your mind is racing and stress levels are skyrocketing. What if I told you that picking up some colored pencils and a simple coloring book can bring you instant peace? That's right. In this video, I'll show you the magic of coloring, a proven way to relax and unwind. We'll focus on beautiful butterflies and blooming flowers, two calming subjects that are perfect for coloring. I'll guide you through easy techniques to bring these designs to life, even if you're not a professional artist. First things first, grab your favorite coloring book or print a butterfly and flower design from the internet. Don't worry about getting fancy. Simple designs work best. Now choose your colors. Think about what makes you feel calm. Maybe it's soft pastels or vibrant hues. There's no right or wrong here. It's all about what makes you happy. Let's start with the butterflies. Begin with the wings, using light, gentle strokes to fill in the spaces. Imagine the colors blending together the way sunlight filters through a stained glass window. Take your time, enjoy every moment. Next, we move on to the flowers. Start with the petals, using different shades to add depth. Think of the petals as layers, each color building on the last to create a beautiful, blooming effect. Don't rush, the slower, the better. As you color, you'll notice your mind beginning to quiet. The worries and stresses of the day start to fade away. You're fully immersed in the moment, creating something beautiful with your own hands. By the end of our session, you'll have a stunning piece of art to admire, but more importantly, you'll feel a sense of calm and accomplishment. That's the power of coloring. It's not just about the finished product, but the journey of creation itself. So next time life feels overwhelming, remember this video. Take a deep breath, pick up your coloring tools, and let the colors wash over you. Thank you for joining me today. Happy coloring. Until next time, take care and stay creative.